Choosing the right powered subwoofer for your car can make all the difference in your audio experience. Powered subwoofers combine the subwoofer speaker and amplifier in one package, making installation easier and saving space, ideal for daily drivers, trucks, or show cars. In this guide, we're covering the best powered subwoofers for your car in 2026, with options that range from compact and easy to install to powerful setups that bring deep room-shaking bass. If you're ready for serious bass and a hassle-free install kit, the Audio Savings Bundle pairs the Kicker 51P TRT P12 powered downfire subwoofer with the Rockville RWK 41 4-gauge complete amp wiring kit. The 12-inch sub comes in a downfire, ported enclosure, a setup that's engineered to move more air and deliver louder, deeper bass compared to sealed boxes. Its 500 watts of power means it can handle heavy, low end without strain. The included wiring kit with RCA cables, power cables, ground cables, and remote turn-on lead simplifies installation. Great for DIY installers or anyone adding this to their existing stereo system. This bundle brings both the hardware and accessories needed to get industry-level bass in your vehicle. Check the description below for purchase links and wiring kit details. The Rockford Fosgate Punch P300-10 is a top choice if you want balanced, punchy bass without a complicated install. This unit combines a 10-inch subwoofer with a built-in 300-watt amplifier and a tuned enclosure designed to deliver deep lows with tight response. The die-cast frame and high-temperature voice coil help with heat dissipation, meaning it can play louder and longer without distortion. Rockford Fosgate engineered this model for musical accuracy as well as impact, so it works well across a wide range of genres, from hip-hop to rock. The compact enclosure fits easily in most trunks or under seats, making it a versatile choice for everyday setups. Check the description for current pricing and links. The Alpine PWE-S8 stands out for its space-saving design and reliable performance. It features an 8-inch subwoofer with a built-in amp in a shallow enclosure that's ideal for cars with limited cargo space or for drivers who want quality bass without sacrificing trunk room. Alpine's engineering puts an emphasis on clean, low frequencies with minimal distortion, so you still get rich, satisfying bass even in tighter spaces. The amp is matched specifically to the sub for efficient power delivery, and the enclosure's low profile makes installation straightforward on a wide range of vehicles. Links and the latest deals are in the description. The Kicker 51HS8 Hideaway powered subwoofer is designed for users who want bass you can feel without a bulky box. Its compact enclosure houses an 8-inch sub and a built-in amplifier that delivers strong, low-frequency output despite its small size. The Hideaway series is ideal for hatchbacks, sedans, and trucks where space is at a premium, but you still want performance that enhances music across genres. Kicker engineered the HS8 to be efficient and musical, with surprisingly deep output for its footprint. It's a frequent choice for commuters or casual listeners who want better low end without major installation work. Find this model and prices in the description. For audiophiles who want tight, musical bass with premium build quality, the JL Audio ACS 110LG-TW1 is a standout choice. This powered subwoofer pairs a 10-inch TW1 series sub with a built-in Class D amplifier and a sealed enclosure designed for accuracy and control. JL Audio is known for engineering excellence, and this model continues that legacy with smooth, low-frequency extension and minimal distortion, even at higher volumes. The sealed design emphasizes precision and depth, making it ideal for listeners who want bass that complements detailed music rather than overwhelming it. It's a great upgrade for those who value sound quality as much as power. Links and current pricing are in the description. Those are our picks for the best powered subwoofers for your car in 2026, ranging from compact, space-saving options to powerful installation-ready bundles. Whether you want easy bass enhancement or deep, room-shaking low end, there's a solution here for most vehicles and listening styles. If this guide helped you, please like the video and leave a comment telling us which subwoofer you're most excited to try. Subscribe for more car audio gear, reviews, and tips.